Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. Let me just check. Stream has just started and I am here today to analyze some coins because there were so many requests, and that is why I thought why not I come live for you guys. So let's start the video. And I have already mentioned here that if you have any requests, please mention them under the comment section. I will try to predict this one. Okay, assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam, wa alaikum salam, BTC Sport line, wa alaikum salam. So guys, here is the BTC Sport. So I will try to analyze all of the coins as well, so mention them in the comment sections. And this is already, let me just move this chat box a bit. So let's start the video. Walaikum salam, walaikum salam. Thank you all, Bryce K. Crash and run, definitely. Okay, let's start the video. You see, already I have already made the resistance here, these levels 50,562, and you see this level has been tested. If I show you the pattern, I long BNB at 460, 470. Do I close it legit? Well, Shajil, it depends on the BTC price. So this is why I'm live here for you guys. So I will also predict the BNB. And tell me, BTC Sportline bro from India, thank you. Should I short BTC now? Well, I don't think so, because you can see the wick is going on the upside. There's a long wick, and let me show you a tweet here. You can see here shaking out. If you see this pattern, just take a look at here. The pattern is showing that we might going to retrace at 50,000, which it did. Okay, 50,637. Okay, so if I show you the pattern from the Bitcoin here, I'm gonna start from here. Okay, the price came up, retested at this level, retested the swing high. Okay, then again the price came up, retested the swing high candle. So just keep an eye on the swing high candles. Okay, you're gonna learn the patterns. Price came up, came down, retested, price came up at this level, came down. Okay, here it stayed for the few time. Okay, we are now in this pattern, same pattern like this one. Okay, because here what happened was this was a swing high candle, but the next few candles, it wicked below this swing high candle. Here you can see this is the pattern. So what happened, it retested the level below that. Now here it is happening the same thing. The price came up, after that the BTC came down. Okay, so we might going to consolidate around this level, might be consolidate around this level. So if it falls further, then the dump is also gonna happen for the other altcoins as well. Okay, so this is the BTC for right now. So I think the price is gonna fluctuate around this area. Okay, it's gonna fluctuate around this area. And let me tell you one more news here. $80 million worth of ether have been liquidated just due to the drop of BTC. So I would suggest you guys to just beware and place your buy orders. Okay, now if you have any questions, BNB, someone talked about the BNB. Let's find out the levels of the BNB. Now these are the levels of BNB, and I'm gonna draw the levels for you. So let's find out the swing highs and swing lows. Let me show you here, just hold on guys. Okay, so this is a low swing low here. Okay, and you can see this swing low has been broken. So I will try to find out the 4-hour chart. So to get the here we have wick set here. You can see now, just take a look at here, the price just bounced off from this swing high candle. You can see this is the swing high candle, and you see how this level has been tested multiple times, and now again we are testing this level. We might gonna retrace back to this level. So let me draw the area here as well. We might gonna retrace back to 482, but if price stays below 482, then we might gonna consolidate for some time at this area. Okay, WRX analysis. Can you analyze at this coin SLP? Where are you from? I'm from Pakistan, brother. Okay, so guys, mention your coins. Okay, mention your coins, because this would be a short video, not a long video. So without wasting any time, I should start analyzing the coins. So first up in the list is the Atlas coin. I'll try to find out the Atlas. Do we have any Atlas here? Let's find out this one. If I go to the coin market cap, let's find out the Atlas coin, star Atlas coin. I think this is the coin he's talking about. Okay, currently the volume is market supply. What is the supply of this coin? That's too much, 2.16 billion. And let me find out the, and it is on the Solana blockchain. Let me find out the market levels for this coin. Sorry guys, the net is a bit slow. So FTX, okay, FTX guys. Okay, I'm gonna be quick, so not gonna waste any time. So this is a daily chart. First I'm gonna take a look at the daily, and you can see already this coin pumped up from this level to, hold on guys, hold on, already it pumped up. Now let's find the levels here. This is the first level, okay, and it already tested this level. Okay, so this is a swing high. This was a swing high candle. Okay, and let me show you the 4-hour chart here. Now the 4-hour chart shows that this might be another level here at this area, because you see the retest at this level. So this could be another level. You can see the price came up, then retested at this level, and then it started to distribute. Now the price is going in the distribution phase. We need some accumulation phase at this level for the price to hold. Right now you see the candles, this candle which is in formation is currently below the previous swing low, so we might gonna retest at this level. So this is the let me WRX. So is it okay? Atlas, this is the retest on the short-term price analysis, 4-hour price analysis. Okay, this is the swing high candle. Okay, and you can see we have 1 test, 2 tests, 3 tests, so it is a valid support line. And on the other hand, we have this level is going down. You can see here it is going in the downward channel. We need the price to stay like this one. So that's it. Okay, WRX, we have WRX in the list because there are so many requests, so I'm gonna make it quick, not gonna waste any time. So let's find out the daily charts, daily levels here. Let me turn off the volume for you guys and find out the daily. We have this as the level, swing high candle, and I'm gonna draw the level here. This is a level, critical level, support level. Okay, and let's try to find out the in between. Let's find out the 4-hour chart here, and we have another level being found. Let me draw the fractal here. You can see here how this level has been tested. Let me draw here. Just take a look at here, guys. Okay, you see this is a swing low candle. Okay, and you see how this level got respected. Okay, so this is the fractal. Okay, if we break below, if any candle closing below this level, might gonna test the 1.36 level, because it is a major support, it is a fractal support. Okay, and if we take a look at this one, you see here the price has just broken this trend line. Might be, yes, this might have broken this area, so we might gonna retest back at this area, and that would be somewhere around this level. Okay, because it's a swing high candle, so it might gonna retrace back to this area. Sorry, let me retest, let me redraw it, let me show you this one. Okay, guys, if you have any requests, please mention them. I will try to do a quick analysis. Okay, 0.540 would be our, if you want to do scalp. Okay, although 4-hour, 2-hour, 1 hour basically are for the scalping. So we have, you can see multiple levels being tested here, multiple candles tested at this level. You see here, so 1.540 is an important level for the WRX. Now let's head over to SLP. Guys, I already made the video on the SLP before, and you see the price just went up You see here it went up to 1200 and it is still in the downward direction, but we have to wait and see. You see it came down to 1091, so it's gonna move up. Eventually it's gonna move up, because if I show you the weekly chart, if you take a look at yourself guys, the price already made the bottom, then it consolidated for a few weeks, and then it pumped. Now the price is going down. We need some consolidation candles like this one. Okay, we need some consolidations. Okay, and after that we're gonna be in the bullish trend. So we need these kinds of candles. This one, okay, this one, 1 2 3 4, where it consolidated, it ranged, it accumulated for few weeks. Here you can see we need some consolidation or accumulation at this level, then the price is gonna shoot up, and the first resistance would be, take profit would be 0.2320. okay, next up in the list is the, where are you from brother? I'm from Pakistan. Can you do the ADA? Let's find out the ADA has a blockchain coming up, smart DEX coming up on the 12th of September. So you see here I already drawn this levels few days ago, and you see how this is the point of confluence where the price was rejected from. So this is a 1 week chart of the ADA. If I show you the, and you can see how these levels of Fibonacci have been respected. Fibonacci levels always get respected. You see these trend lines, and from the bottom and from the upside, and you can see the inside fractal trend lines here. So if I show you the daily chart here, it has been retested from this level. And if I show you that on the 12th of September, okay, they're going to be a launching of DEXs from the ADA Cardano. So try to find out the projects for the ADA. Okay, I'm gonna mention the projects on the ADA in the next videos. So right now you can see the price came down to this level here. You can see how perfectly it bounced off from this candle. This is a swing low candle. Try to find out the swing low candles. Okay, on the upside we have this as a swing high candle. This one is a swing high candle, this one is a swing low candle. Swing high and swing low candles are the perfect ones to do this spy entries, that spot on entries. Here on the downside we have this as a support level, and you can see it perfectly bounced off from 2.52, and from the upside it bounced off. Let me show you here. The candles needs to close above 2.8, or we might gonna consolidate for some time here at this area, and then on the upside because of the DEX coming up, and you already see the price is going up. So there are a lot of buyers coming up, and you can see the volume is increasing as well. So what's next? XEC, Ecash. Okay, Ecash, sorry, XEC. I'm gonna do the, now here you can see, let me show you the daily chart. I already made a video on the Ecash, and you can see guys, just take a look at yourself. Yesterday I made the video, and you see how it bounced off from this area. This is called the perfect bouncing off from the support areas. This is why support and resistance levels are extremely important. You can see if I drag these price levels towards the right side, let me show you this one. Okay, now if you can take a look at here, we might be in consolidation phase right now. We might be, okay, we need some candles, we need some ranging market for this to break out. Okay, otherwise the you can see the price is going on, it's pushing, it has retested the previous levels here. Okay, but I have already mentioned in my previous video yesterday that if I show you the pattern, already mentioned you that when the price came up, it retested the past. Price came up, it retested the past, but this level has not been tested. It has not been tested. Okay, so this could also be possible in the future. So this level 22650 is also possible. Okay, why? Because this level has not been tested, and whenever you can see this is a parabolic move from the Ecash, you can see it was a parabolic move. If I show you the parabolic movement, okay, parabolic pattern, let me show you the parabolic pattern. What happens after the parabolic pattern? You can see Just take a look at yourself. Okay, the price usually falls. You can see here the price falls. You see here the price. Okay, you see the price came up, retested, price came up, retested, price came up, retested, price came up, and after that it retested all the levels which were not retested. Okay, sorry for the bad quality of the picture, but this happens after a strong parabolic move. So if I go back to the XEC, you can see the price is pushing. It has to close above 26672 so that we might gonna start to move, and you can see the price is being pushed right now. Okay, Dash Coin. Okay, let's head over to the Dash Coin. Guys, please mention all the coins. Oh god. This has a long wick towards the downside. Great. Okay, let's find out the levels on the Dash Coin. Let's read everything, and you can see here, if I show you perfectly fine, you can see we have this area as a support level. Not a problem, not a problem. 217 is a perfect support due to this swing high candle here. Okay, just take a look at yourself. Swing high candle, and previously you can see this level has been retested as well. So if I draw the trend line from this low, maybe this one, yeah, it's going perfectly fine. I draw level, sorry, if I draw the level from this swing high to this one, so it is trying to consolidate in between this one and this one as well. So these are the fractal trend lines. But anyhow, if I go to the 4-hour chart, let me find out another level here, this one. Okay, so this would be our resistance level, and that is the support level on the 1-day chart. So if I show you the 4-hour chart, this is the 4-hour chart. Okay, now if I show you the 4-hour one, these are the levels. Okay, the 4-hour chart, if I show you, this one is a good level. I'm trying to find out the perfect entry. Yeah, this is also a good entry. This is a good spot, and on the downside this is a good spot. This one, okay guys, let me show you. This is a fractal support. Okay, fractal support for the Dash Coin. 234 and 243. Okay, these are the major levels, and these ones are the fractal levels. For example, you can do the scalp under this one. Okay, this is the level of support. If it falls below, if it closes below 234, then you can take your entries out, and you can place your buy orders around 217. It is a strong support. Okay, so let's head over to already. All right, thanks a lot, brother. What can you tell us about the Unicrypt? I have to find out the Unicrypt. Okay guys, be patient. I'm gonna clear all the requests today, so don't worry. Unicrypt. Okay, Unicrypt is a new project, seems to be a good project. Okay, supply, sorry, the supply of 50,000. Wow, it's a low supply coin, and 58% is in circulation. I'm gonna take a look at an Ethereum blockchain, Binance and Polygon, and another one as well. Let's find out. And it is also CertiK audited as well, so it seems to be a good coin. And let me find out the Gate.io chart. Guys, I will go through all the requests, don't worry. Okay, just try to focus here. Okay, holders. The biggest holder is this one is the liquidity pools. Okay, this is the liquidity. Basically these are the liquidities, so you don't just don't focus on them, focus on from this wallet. So this is the biggest wallet, and it holds around 2% of the total supply. So I think 2% is not bad. So it is a good project. It seems to be a good project. And if we take a look at the weekly of the this chart, UniX, I think I have made a video for the UniX. It's a good coin. If I turn on the levels for this one, let me draw the levels. This is a good level. Okay, you can place your buy orders at this 535 would be a good level to buy, because let me show you why. You see it was a swing high candle, it got tested here, candle was closed here, candle opened here. Okay, this level was tested and this level was tested, so multiple times this level has been tested, so it is a good area to buy. And this is on the daily chart, so you can place your buy areas. Let me draw this as well here, in between 498 to 535, so you can buy. It seems to be a good project. It has already been listed on the Gate.io, top exchange, one inch exchange, Dodo. So in the future we might gonna see this coin to be listed on Binance or other high level exchanges. And one more thing, if I go to check out their Twitter page, they have well over 23,000 followers, and they joined back in June 2020, and their team seems to be active. Yes, it seems to be active. Yeah, you can see they are updating their project. So yeah, it's a good project. It seems to be a good project, but always do your research. I have just done some of the research, but you can do and check out their white paper and other things as well. Low supply coin, yeah, it's a good coin, seems to be a good coin. Now let's head over to next one. Okay, where I was going okay, where was I? Dash coin. I think I have already done with the dash coin. Where was the, yeah, Unicrypt. Jason Zeros, do you think Idex will reach $1? Okay, let's find out the Idex. It will be a quick analysis. I have already made the video on the Idex yesterday. Okay guys, let me find out first. Need to find out the Idex on the coin market cap as well, to find out the supply of this coin. Okay, the supply $590 million. Okay, 590 million, sorry, is in circulation. And just look at the volume, it has pumped up 2 billion. Wow, it's great. Okay, let's find out the area here. So 0 point, it made the swing high, and you see yesterday I made the trend lines, but these are not valid trend lines. I have to make up a new one here. Let me go to the daily chart, and if I draw the Fibonacci level, let me draw the Fibonacci from this area to this one. This was the previous swing high, and you can see it went from 100% to next 100%, and if it follows the same pattern, it can go to $1. That would be this one, but I'm aiming for this 261 could be our next one, because 161 are key levels. Okay, key levels. So if we follow the 261%, then the price could reach, if with the same volume, okay, where is the price tag? Yeah, this one. Okay, it could reach this one. Okay, $1. It can reach $1, but for that it has to move from here to 50% move is required, and that would be the volume which we are standing right now needs to increase half of it. This is the 2.8 billion, so half of it would be 1.4 billion volume would be required for the price to move up. So but in the upward direction, so it's going crazy right now. It can go to this level. Okay, and on the 4-hour chart, if I show you, 161 is the level. But guys, again, the coins which are already in the profit, which are already going up, please take your profits and don't buy when the price is already up. Okay, it happened with XEC. You can see these levels have not been tested. It can fall back anytime. Okay, so don't buy such coins which are in profit, which are already pumped up. This is huge parabolic move. The way it went up, it can fall back as well. Okay, next up in the list we have Dashcoin SXP, bro. SXP. Okay, SXP. Let me find out the SXP for you guys. So many requests. Oh my god, I think I have to delete this one. Okay, so many requests, sorry for that. So many requests, just be patient. I will try to go through everyone. Okay, I will go with this one. On the weekly chart we have find out a level here at this one. Okay, a good level of support here. You can see this one, 3.4, a good level of support. And if we take a look at the pattern, the price came up and retested this swing high at this area. Then the price came up, retested this area, now price again retested from this one. So we might gonna go back to this level. Let's find out. Okay, let's find out the levels. Okay, on the upside we have this one. So if you take a look at here, we have this swing low as a support level and this one as a resistance level. Okay, you can see here as well as a resistance level. So what needs to be done is XXP needs to close above, or it needs to consolidate at least consolidate at this level. Okay, and after that it can break out on upside or either downside. It depends on the volume. Okay, it depends on the volume. If you can take a look at the volume here on the downside, let me find out the volume on the coin market cap as well as XP. I think, yeah, this one, swipe token. Let's find out the volume. 233 million. It's a mid cap, but it has a real use, so it's a good coin. I personally hold that coin. If I find out that weekly candles, you can see, guys, this is a perfect scenario. If you want to look the general trend, just go to the weekly chart. Okay, now if you take a look at the weekly one, you can see SXP needs to hold this level, otherwise we might gonna see some price going down. Let me show you. This is a swing high, swing low, swing low. So this might be our next area of support, and this could be our strong support. So if you are looking for long term, you can place your buy orders there as well. Okay, 3.1 to 3.0. This is a strong level and it can be retested, but again the price needs to hold above. It depends on this candle. Okay, today's candle is very important because it will decide. If we fall below 3.4, the price might gonna retest 3.1 at this level. Okay, this is a weekly level. Okay, weekly level. And if I draw the levels from here, the price price is going in the upper direction. It usually happens that retest is it is possible, it has to happen. So SXP, these are the levels. Okay, and on the daily one we already have this one as well. Okay, 2.3 level as well. So guys, I'm a bit hurry, so I'm not making detailed one. Idex I have already updated. SXP, engine coin, dash coin, bro, engine coin. Okay, engine one, guys, just be patient. I'll try to do everything. And you can see, guys, this was the level of supply zone and it has been broken. So it depends on the this candle closing. It looks the price is going down. Engine coin is going down. If I delete everything again, let me draw the levels on the weekly one. Weekly gives me the general idea. Okay, weekly gives me the general idea. If we take a look at here, you see this is the swing high candle and only one candle, one area is required to determine the trend. Okay, if I show you this level, 2.20, now engine needs to close above 2.028. okay, because the reason, you can see swing high candle, an extremely important level. 1 test, 2 tests, 3 tests, 4 tests, 5, 6. So you can know, if we see so many tests on the weekly area, it means that it is a strong area. Okay, now further, this is a swing low candle, so this would be our next level of support at here, 1.69. okay, so if it falls below, if it closes below, then we might gonna retrace back to 1.6. this is on a weekly candle. Okay, weekly chart. So our next strong support would be this one, 1.693. on the upside, if I show you the upside directions, let me show you on the daily one. This would be our target. It has already tested this level. Let me find out some more levels here. It is very difficult to find out these levels, but here I'm going to show you the take profit areas. These resistances are basically the take profits. Okay, so just going through all the levels. So these are the TPs where you can, if you have bought them, okay, if you have bought them, you can sell at these levels if you want to do the day trade. Otherwise you can hold this coin. And if I take a look at here, just final moment, just I'm gonna move and test out here. So if it falls below, we might gonna test this level. Okay, and just to show you here, you can see it's a valid trend line, tested twice. So we might gonna retest at this level with this swing low here, and then the price is going in the upward channel. Okay, going down. EMC2, I'm very curious about it. EMC2, I'd never heard of it, sorry again, but we'll try to find out. EMC2, okay, guys, just hold on, don't get frustrated, be patient. Very low volume coin, and the total supply is almost near 100%, 245 million, and I don't know about its blockchain, but let's find out about it. And let's head over to the markets where it has been listed. Currently ranked at 954. Never heard of it before. Only one exchange listing, and 41,000. Well, it has a good following. I don't know about its future, but I have to, as I'm live right now, people are waiting for the more other coins as well. So if you are here to analyze about this one, let me show you the level. Price is going down and down here. If I show you the weekly one, I think this coin was listed back in 2014. It's too old coin, man. I would suggest you to stay away from it, because it's been 6 or 7 years and this coin has not been listed on any other exchange other than BitTorrent. So I would suggest you that wait for it to get listed on any other exchange, because you see the very low volume. It's a very low volume coin, so low volume coins are not good for the long-term investments. And I think that's pretty much it from my side for the EMC. SLP, I have already done the SLP, but I will take a look at here. Dash coin, I have done it. Can you take a look at the TLM? Okay, let's go to the TLM, my favorite one, the TLM coin. Let's find out the TLM coin. So many levels drawn already, so I'm gonna head over to the TLM. So many requests on the daily basis, and I have told you so many times the price is in the ranging market. Ranging means we are in the range between 0.3743 and 0.2627, and you can still see the price is it is moving in between this region. So it is a good sign that the price is making at least a new support at this area. But the main thing, if it falls below 0.2627 level, then we would be in the downtrend. Okay, and on the upside it needs to close above 0.3743, and you can see the candles are now closing in. You can see the candles are now closing in, but it has broken down. So I think the next retest would be at this level. You can see, let me draw the fractal areas for you guys. So many levels. Okay, but this one is the key level as well. This could be our key level. I'm adding in the new coin here. You can see new area 0.2894. okay, this is a fractal spot. If it gets broken, then 0.2627. okay, short-term analysis for you guys. Okay, and if you want to hold it for the long term, it depends on your goals, depends on your capital and your long-term goals. But here you can see the price is in the ranging market. This is called the ranging. This is the ranging market. Okay, and this is an accumulation phase. This was the accumulation after that, and usually breakout happens after the accumulation, and usually we break out on the upside direction with the accumulation phase. But after the ranging market, the price always moves in both direction. It can move either on the upside or on the downside direction. So I will make a detailed video on it, but this is the current scenario. 0.2894 is the support level. Okay, and the major support would be this one, and on the upside you can scalp. Right now in the ranging market is the best one to scalp. Okay, going down, next up in the list one is the, are you making this video because of the stock guru? No, I don't know who is the stock guru. I don't know who is the stock guru, sorry for that. I don't know. XEC lose, yeah, I told you XEC again. Let me show you again. The XEC, it was following a parabolic move, and you can see these are the levels, and it has been tested, perfectly bounced off from this area. Okay, so just wait for the consolidation. If it closes below this area, okay, we might go into the ranging market or the consolidation phase. We might gonna retest this level as well, because it has not been retested. Sorry, you can see this level. Did it got retested here? No. Okay, so this level is still remain untested. This level is still remain untested. So in the future this can also go down. So after the parabolic move, as shown you here, that is why the XEC is going down. Okay, now let's head over to the ADA. Done. Near is a coin. I don't know about this one. Near. Let's find out the Near protocol. Just bear with me, guys. I'm gonna do all the stuff. Okay, sorry guys. Near, sorry, I haven't heard it before. So okay, Near coin explorer, BSC scan, find out the total amount of holders. Let's find out the holders of the coin, and you can see the steady growth of the addresses. And if I show you the total holders of this coin, let me show you. This might be the big wallet, 12%, but that could be the dev wallet or the team's wallet. And next one 8%, 5%, 2%. So I think big wallets, this coin holds the big wallet. So let's head over to TradingView, find out the Near USDT pair, and let's take a look at this coin. Going good. If I show you that weekly chart, okay, it was listed back in 20 October. Okay, yeah, price is near all-time high. Beware guys, beware. The price is near all-time high. If you see, the price is going like cup and handle, so we might gonna form the cup and handle. Let me show you the cup and handle pattern. And if I show you the cup and handle pattern, you see here, when the price makes the all-time high again, it retraces back. Okay, you can see cup and handle type of pattern. Price makes all-time high and then it retraces. So if I show you here, what do you think? The price from low made up. If I show you again, price from low, okay, it made all-time high, then retrace, and then another move up. So what do you think? If I show you this one, you see the price from down making all-time high, then again went down. Now we might going to retrace at this level. So the level could be this one. Okay, and let me draw the just come on man, my mouse is not going good. Okay, 4.6 level, strong weekly level, strong weekly. Why? As a resistant it got tested 4 times, as a support it got tested 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then as a support again 1 time. So we might gonna retrace back like this one, forming a cup and handle. And another area would be this one. Okay, this level, that would be this area, 5.697 swing high candle, and this one also low part of the swing candle. And you can see this area got tested 1 2 3 4, and here again. But if you follow the pattern, the price might gonna retest this level on the upside. Just to let you know, from the upside, no, not this one, gonna form from all-time low to all-time high. So you can see the price might gonna retest at this area 4.6 if we follow the 61.80 pattern. Okay, and candle, if it closes below 78.6% Fibonacci level, then we might gonna retrace back. But these are important key areas. Okay, this is a weekly area. So on the upside, price can, sky is the limit. Okay, going down the please brother, SLP I have done it, and I have already told you that SLP is going good, but it needs to make some levels. Okay, it needs to find out the accumulation zone. This one, it has to form these candles at this area, and after that we might gonna find some way on the upside, because it is a token which is minted on the regular basis due to the X affinity, you know, that coin, and the players usually get the SLP token as a reward. So it has to find out some support level, and we might gonna see some, you know, strong movement on the upside, but you have to accumulate this coin. We are near the bottom, so you can place your buy orders, you can DCA around this area, but it has to go into the accumulation phase. Okay, going down we have XEC, please. I have done it. Idex is up there, will it raise, then pump again? Yes, Idex is already 300% pumped, and we might gonna see some retracement. Huge pump, guys, this is huge pump. And if we take a look at here, you see these areas remain untested, and if I show you the Fibonacci level from this area, let me draw the area from this one, and these are the levels where we can retest. Okay, strong areas. So retesting phases could be, okay, let me turn off the magnet tool. Okay, let me turn off the magnet tool and let me draw the levels. These ones are the strong support. These could be our strong support, especially this one, 0.47, due to the 61.8%. okay, this is a golden pocket, but again the price could also test all of these levels, Fibonacci levels. So these are the support levels on the daily basis, or whatever you can call them, because these levels have not been tested. Now going down, thanks brother XEC, I'm stuck in Dash coin long position. Do I sell at a loss or wait? Let me find out again the Dash coin on a journal trend, on the weekly trend. Now right now the Dash coin is in between, so let's find out this one again. Just let me drag this one. It is like now in the ranging market right now. You can see the price came up, then a retest, then again up, then retest. When you see these kinds of candles, it means it is a ranging, it is in the ranging market. So if you are in the loss, I would suggest you that wait for 217. okay, wait for 217.5. if it breaks further, then that would be a stop loss. Okay, and let me draw another level for you, okay, just to give you the next level of support. This could be our next level of support, 182. So I think if you are in loss, just wait for 217. It could retrace back from here, because it is a strong level. And also you can see downside, the volume is low, and if it increases, if the volume, selling volume increases, it means the price is gonna move down. But if it stays low, then the price is gonna retrace back from here. So you can do the scalp, always do the scalping in the ranging market. Don't buy for the long term. In the ranging market, always place scalping orders, not the long term orders. Okay, if we go down the list, we have SXP done, SXP done, Dashcoin done. Okay, I think I just made I'm stuck in Dashcoin. Okay, what is that? I'm stuck in Dashcoin. Ahmed, I have told you that if the coin is in the scalping mode, ranging mode, so I would suggest you, if you get the profit, just exit from this coin, or wait for 217 level to get tested. If the level gets broken, 217.5, then we might gonna move down. Otherwise you can do the scalping and do the DCA, dollar cost average, so you can average down your entries. Now going down in the list, I have bought XEC at Sahil Gamer. I had bought XEC at top, huge quantity. What I do now, sell or hold? Will my price come back? Well, told you, after the parabolic move, usually the coins follow the retesting mode. If I again show you again, just for you Sahil Gamer, you can see on the daily level, on the weekly, this is a weekly chart, but I will go to daily one. You see the momentum. Okay, this is called the huge sell-off. sell off due to the profits. Okay, sell off, this is a sell off phase. Okay, we might gonna retrace back for some time here at this level. Okay, this is the pattern. When there is a huge parabolic move, it usually follows with a huge sell off, huge momentum towards the upside, huge momentum towards the downside. Then we see a retest with a low volume, then it started to distribute, and then we move in the ranging market. So right now it is in the phase 2. It moved up, came down, we might gonna retrace back to this level, 2.28356 level, and then we're gonna again distribute slowly and steadily towards this level. Okay, and then we're gonna accumulate, might be at this level or at this level. It depends at which level the support is gonna hold. It depends on the candles. So again, going down. Okay, Salam, appreciate live streaming, good for you, hope you get a lot of followers, keep it up, man. Dani, thank you so much, brother, thank you so much. Walaikum salam, God bless you. Could you please do near analysis? I have done it in Dash Coin. Told you, Ahmed. Bake kindly. Okay, let's do a bake analysis as well for Dani. And guys, mention every coin, I will try to do the analysis. And there you have it. We have this as a level of support, and if I draw the levels, so easy guys, not a rocket science. 2.4 as our level of support. If it breaks, then the next level could be this one. So this is the demand zone for the bake. Okay, demand zones means that support level, basically. In other words, you can call this one as a support level. Okay, this one is a strong zone. Why it wicked down to this level, you can see clearly. Just take a look at yourself. You see this one, swing low candle, and retest it from the body. So if I only draw the levels from this one, you can see here, this one. Okay, so it's a good sign. If it closes below, then 2.4. If it stays above, then the price is going upward. So bake is a good coin, and it is again, testing this level of support as well. So I'm gonna draw the fractal here, and you see this one is in fact this one is another support as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw another level at this area. So it is the support level as well. So this is a demand zone. If it falls, if it breaks, this region breaks, then we are going down to this region. Simple enough, no rocket science whatsoever. On the upside, well, if I take a look at the weekly chart, then you can see after a long retracement, after a long bullish move, we are now might be in the accumulation zone or sell-off phase as well. But I think this level got tested once, twice, 3 times in a row. So whenever a level is tested multiple times, it makes it weaker. So 2.4, I think that might come as well. If it falls below 2.6 level, then this level is gonna test. So I think that was enough. Let's move down. I'm stuck in Dash Coin long position. I think, Ahmed, I have told you. I think audio please. EPS coin, Rahul Kumar, EPS. I will do every analysis. Okay, just stick with me. I will do every analysis, don't worry. Okay, EPS, let me find out this one on the coin market cap. EPS for you guys. Okay, EPS. Sorry for the slow net. Okay, let's find out the market, let's find out the community, and do we have Explorer for it? No Explorer for it. And main thing guys, Certic audited and Hacken audited. It is audited by 2 authorities, so it's a good thing. 34% supply in circulation, total 1 billion supply, and listed on Binance and all other major exchanges. And if I go and copy this address, I think Explorer is not. Let me find out the BSC scan. Let's find out the address from here and find out the this one here, Ellipse token. And you can see the address is 16,000 addresses, and it is growing on a daily basis. Good sign for it. Holders, total holders Okay, these one of the liquidity pool, 30%, 24%, 60% for the Binance, and this wallet might be a team wallet, 13%, and that could be the biggest wallet, 2%. So 2.1% is the biggest wallet, I think, and all other coins, all other are the liquidity, and this one is the dev wallet. Okay, so it's a good coin. It seems to be a good coin. The followers, 21,000 followers. And is the team updating? Well, team is a bit slow. You can see last update was 29th of August. So team needs to work. I think it's a slow team, not working on day-to-day basis, but it has to work on day-to-day basis. Let's head over to the EPS, and you see the price here. After the listing, I have told you, after the listing usually happens the dumps and then a sell off. Okay, and then we see a retest and then another sell off. It happens twice in this case. Now you can say the price is now in the accumulation zone, so it's a good area to buy. And if I draw the levels, this is absolute bottom, and on the upside, if I go to the daily chart, let me show you the daily, and you can see the candles, small candles is an indication that price is gonna move. And you see the ranging market. If I show you this one from this area, you can see range. It is a range, tested once, then it stayed there for some time, then again came up, tried to break the swing low of the swing high candle had here. Let me draw the fractal here for you guys, and turning on the tool, you can see it retested this fractal area of the swing swing low of the swing high candle, and then again retested the bottom. Again it retested this one, then it stayed in the accumulation phase. Okay, and then retested again, holding the support, another support, and then tried to break out, and now it is holding this level. So right now it is at the support level. Basically I try to follow the past pattern to predict the future one. So this is our support of level 0.8365, and it is near the bottom, so you can place your buy orders around this one, on these levels, and around these levels as well, 0.61. so these are three major supports. You can DCA easily 3 times in a row. If you see any price going down towards the 0.6, you can place your buy orders at 0.6. if it goes further below, you can place your buy orders at 0.34, and this would be the absolute bottom. And on the upside, we have this area as the take profit. If it goes above, it gonna try to test this level 1.4510. okay, that would be our take profit. But if you want to hold it for the long term, it can go at this area as well. This would be the next target, TP2 to $3. Yeah, it can go to the $3 easily. So if you want to accumulate, it's a good area. This is good accumulation zone, and you can see the volume is started to increase. So it means the price might be near breakout. So EPS is a good coin to hold right now. Okay, going down, audio please. So many, and mbox. Okay, mbox, recently it was launched, and you see let me just let me show you this one. Okay, I told you guys that whenever a thing move up, it has to move down. You see this coin moved up and it retested at this level. I have already made several videos for this coin. Let me delete all the price tags for now, just to show you clear chart here. I told you guys that this level was not tested, now it has been tested. This level was not tested, now it has been tested. Okay, this level is also not tested, and it can be tested in future. If you follow the pattern, you become good in trading. Okay, so I would suggest you that if you place your buy orders around this one, 5.0 to $5 is a good area, because this level has not been tested. Below that, you can see, although we break out from this level, we can also take this into account as well. For example, $4, because it wasn't also not tested. So these are the current levels. If it closes below 5.80, then 5.0 may also get tested as well. But again, on the other side, this is a swing high candle, and it is an important or major support. Okay, it is a major support. We can retrace back. Okay, it can retrace back from here. It is a major level. Again, I'm telling you, it is a major level. Why? Because this level has been tested once as a resistance. Now it is retesting itself as a support. So if it closes below, okay, if it closes below today's candle closing below, then we might be going down to $5. Simple enough. And on the upside, you can hold and sell at these levels. Okay, so this is short analysis, and you can see the volume is also very low. Usually it happens after the day of listing. Now going down below, okay, so many messages coming up, audio please. Okay, I will do quick analysis on the audio as well. Okay, audio, let's find out the audio coin. Already testing the level of support for the audio coin, and no, this is not a slow support level. Okay, if I have to go down, I have to go in the past to find out the perfect areas. Yeah, this one is a swing high. I would change the level to, let me delete this one and redraw it. Okay, this one is a good level now. If you take a look, you see how many tests: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here as a resistance, here as a support, here as a resistance, here as a support, here as a resistance, 1 2. And now if we move further, you can see here it got tested as a support level, as a support level, as a support level. So 3 times it has been tested. Okay, 3 times it has been tested. So it has might be weakened. This level might have become weakened. So it is also in the ranging market. You can see making bottom, then again double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom. So either side it has to break out, either on the upside or on the downside. It will depend. Okay, if this candle gets rejected and the price started to move up, then this would be an important level. Okay, this would be an important level. We might break out from here, because from the top side we have tested this level 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 times. On the downside we have tested this level 1 2 3 4 and 5 times. So if it goes below, it is a ranging, it is called the range. Okay, it is called the ranging market here at this area, because we see a ranging type of pattern. Okay, so next up, if it falls below, then you can also see this was a breakout and we need to test this level. I have told you in my previous videos. Okay, so this would be our retesting. If it goes below, then this could be our retesting phase, and you can see this was a swing high area. And on the downside, if I turn on that magnet tool, that would be, sorry guys, let me show you the area. Yeah, this would be a good area. Okay, this would be a good area. So keep these levels in your mind. If it breaks below, if it breaks down of the ranging market, then we might gonna fall back to this level, these levels. Okay, because of the breakout. After the breakout, huge sell-off happened, and now the price is in the ranging market. So try to find out the phases. Okay, going down the list, we have Bake, Audio, okay, AMB, Keep. Bro, my question about the IDX: is there any way to know how these coins pump a lot, like 300% and keep on dumping and pumping? Can we know it through TA? Alish Tiak, this is pretty tough question. Usually whales do the pumping and dumping. I don't think so it was following the TA, but I told you, let me first go with the AMB as well. I don't know about this coin AMB. Let's find out the AMB on the weekly area, and I will go through all the coins again. AMB is in the downtrend for a long time. It was launched back in 2017. Very old coin. I would stay away from the old coins which are not performing, because it is 2021 and still these old coins are not performing. It means these are not good coins. Okay, you can see here it went from all-time high. Man, this coin went from all-time high of $34 down to $0.04. So I would never ever invest in these coins which are already listed back in 20. There were few coins which were listed back in 2017 2016 who have not performed, those were scam coins. Okay, so I would stay away from this coin. Okay, and just to go through it, let me find out the AMB as well. Let's find out the things. 978, and you see the, and just take a look at the position, ranking. 978 ranking after 4 years of performance with 10,000 followers only. You can see that they have not done something. Okay, they could have performed well. You see, only 1,000 followers. Okay, 1,274 followers. So I would not go for this coin. And you can see they recently joined on April 2021, so might be their team is lacking. You see, the team might be lacking. So although it is in a good phase, but that would be risky. Okay, that would be risky. And you can also see the volume is low. So after 4 years, this coin has not performed. You see the total supply 769. I don't think so AMB is a good coin. I would stay away from it. I would either invest in some other coins. Okay, going down, Keep coin. Let's find out the Keep from here as well. Keep, I think it was recently launched on the Binance network, and you can see it was recently launched, and you see the followers here. Now this seems to be a good coin, and you see the volume here. The volume increased 600%. Wow, that's great. So let me find out that, and it is on the Ethereum blockchain with a total supply of 1 billion, and the supply circulation is 58%. And let's find out I think this should be on here. Find out the USDT pair, and let's find out the, it was recently launched. If I can find out its previous data, do we have any previous data for this coin? No, same data. Keep. Okay, Keep USDT. If just wanted to know that if this coin was listed on some other exchanges as well or not. MX exchange, I think I need to find out price from this one, but correct. And okay, let's find out from this area. Okay, now this is a weekly area. It was launched back in June 14th of June 2021, and let me go to the daily one. The price is going huge here. You can see pump and dump on the day of listing, huge sell off, and then it came strongly into the accumulation or ranging market. Then we saw distribution again, and then accumulation, and then it started slowly and steadily. So it is going steadily. It's a good sign. It is going steadily. If we follow this pattern, the price is going towards the upside direction here as well. You can see this trend line. If we follow this trend line, you can see this is a valid trend line. 1 test, 2 test, 3 test, and now 4th test has been rejected. So this might be point of confluence. So what I would do is I would draw a line from here, and you can see this is the level of support, and this would be next level of support. Although it becomes very difficult to analyze the new coin, but let me show you the areas here. 0.4 and this one 0.5, good level of support. If it breaks below, then the next up would be this one here. Let me draw the level for you, this one at this area. So this is a good area of support as well. You can see here 0.39. so if we break below this level, then the price is gonna move down to 0.39, because the price is, you can see, if I show you, the price came up, retested at this level, accumulated, then price go up, retested at this level, then again price goes up, retested, again goes up, retested bullish, but again it retested again here. So then again we saw breakout, again we saw a retest at the swing high candle, another green candle retest, another green candle retest, and then a breakout. And now this gap is, there is a gap here. If it falls below, then price is gonna fall down at this area, at this level. And let me add one more before I do the other analysis as well. So this is also an area of support as well. Multiple supports, there are so many supports, but you can do the scalping on these areas. So I think this area is also important, 0.433, and this one as well. If we saw any closing below, then these areas are gonna be tested. So let's head over to audio. Keep okay, bro. My question, Idex, Idex was pumped because it stayed into the accumulation phase for so many days. Okay, I think I made the video yesterday for the BUSD. Let me show you this one. If I show you the price, it was launched back in 20, and I think this was not the area. I think this was the area. You can see here. Yeah, just take a look at yourself. Okay, accumulation phase. It stayed in the accumulation phase for 543 days. So 2 years of accumulation. So it has to pump, and it pumped. Okay, but I will try to find out the reason. Now you can see the price is going down, and I have already made all the levels for you. Okay, going down. Keep it on the basic. Alishtaq, CHR update, Sahil Yadav, CHR update. I'm going through all the comments. Okay, so don't worry, just be patient. I will get back to you in this video. Don't worry. Okay, I will get back to you. So these are the levels already drawn, and you can see we have these as the support areas, and you see the trend line. Just try to follow this trend line. If you take this trend line, you can see the price is going down, up, up, down, up, down. So next level should be up. So but if it closes, if it breaks down below this trend line, then 0.325 and these levels would be retested. Okay, so overall it's going good, and it is in the upward channel. If I show you the upward, rising channel would be a good one. Rising channel pattern, and rising channel pattern just want to after the breakout, after the ranging market. So I need to find out that coin after the ranging market. Let's find out the upward channel. Usually it follows this pattern. After the ranging market, the price then started to decline, then it was up channel, then down channel, then sideways. So basically I need to find out this one is also possible. So it all depends. Okay, it all depends on breakout. Okay, breakout of this trend line. If it falls below, then we might be testing 0.325 or these levels, and you can do the scalping on them as well. CHR update done. I am hoping to short Keep by the end of the year for $16. Okay, $6 I mean. Keep. Okay, need to find out again. Keep, you are hoping to keep $6. Okay, $6. I think you are telling me that you have set up the targets for $6. I don't understand. Near analysis, I think I've done the near one. Again, let me show you. I have done with the near analysis. I think I have already made these levels. These are important levels: 5.6, 9.7, 4.6, and this after the phase of this was the accumulation ranging market, and after the ranging market either side is decided, and it was broken down, and then this was also a ranging market, and we saw a breakout, and then we saw a retest at this level. Now the price is already up. We might gonna retrace back at this level following the pattern and the volume. Okay, ING, I think I done with ING. Okay, Steve Cooper, sorry. Okay, so this is ING, and let me find out first the volume of this coin. I always check the volume. Okay, Injective Protocol, and the volume of this coin is 80 million low cap, and 33% supply, total supply of 100 million, and blockchain of Ethereum and Binance and Certic audited as well. Let's find out the community, and let's head over to, let me can close all of the tabs. So many tabs here. Let me close all of the tabs. Okay, engine. Okay, well over 83,000 followers, and the community tab, yeah, community is active. So I think the team is active team. Now if I show you the weekly chart of this coin, this is a weekly one. You see the downside, you see the volume is very low, the price is up, so we might gonna retrace for a few moments, for some days. Let me find out a level for you. This could be a level of support for us. So this is a good level of support on the daily, on a weekly. Okay, 12.12 is a good level of support. On the upside, if you want to take profit, you can take your profit at these areas, $15, and further yeah, that would be good level of support as well, the level of resistance, take profit levels. Okay, if you follow the pattern, guys, you see this coin went up, retested the swing high, then again it ranged for a few weeks, then came up, then we saw a huge dump, then came up, retested the level which was broken, then came down to make another level of support at this area. It accumulated for a few weeks, then breakout, then another retest at the swing high, then price came up. Now we might gonna see a retest at this level, $12. So this is the pattern. I try to find out the patterns first. Okay, I try to read the whole market, the whole pattern, then I analyze. Okay, this is a key thing you need to understand. You can't do it with the help of indicators and this one. You have to train your eyes. Okay, and there I have found another level of support, strong support. This one is a strong support. Okay, so I'm gonna draw another level. If this level gets broken, then the price is gonna move in the downward direction, $10. So if you see anything going down, then the price is gonna fall in the downward direction. So let me retest, let me check draw the levels here, 7.76. okay, so it is necessary. You see the swing high candle, now a retest is necessary at this area, okay, or at this area. So it has happened over the years so many times. When the price came up, the next candle retest the previous swing high, up, test the previous swing high, up, test the previous swing high. So this is my level of support, 12.12. okay, let's head over to the next one, engine anchor. Okay, so many, you see guys, so many requests, so I'm gonna make it quick. I think it's taking time, a lot of time. Let me find out what is the current scenario of BTC. What is BTC doing right now? It is fluctuating around 51,000. So I think, let me just find out the BTC first, then I can predict where the price is heading, because all the coins follow the BTC. You can still see if we break below 50,562, that would create dump for all the altcoins. Okay, okay, 5. Okay guys, if price breaks below this level, then it would be chaos for all the alts. Okay, it's gonna create a lot of dump and lot of crash. Okay, so I hope that it stays above. It has to stay above. Okay, BTC has to stay above. Okay, now let's head over to, right now the position of BTC is 50-50, so that would be risky for all other coins. You can see this level has been broken. It is near the support level. Okay, and let me draw another level. So many levels here. Let me find out the correct area. Okay, this is a good level of support here. So I'm gonna draw the level from this area, 0.106, and this one, 0.1033, a good level of support. We might gonna retrace back, because after the breakout, you can see these three candles. If I zoom in, let me zoom in, and let me just zoom in for you here. You can see we saw a huge breakout. Okay, and then a retest was necessary, and now we might gonna retest at this level. So it might gonna fall back to 0.16 to 0.103. So, and also you can see the price has been making higher lows here. You can see the higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So it is testing. So we might gonna retest at this level if we follow this pattern. Okay, you see valid trend line, 1 2 3 4 tests. Okay, so we might gonna retest at this level. That would be the point of confluence. So 0.1060 is a good area to place your buy entries. Okay, it's a good area to place your buy entries. So as a general trend, let me find out the general trend for the anchor. Okay, it stayed there for some time. Okay, then came down, made the swing low here, then price came up. You can see the price has just broke out of this range, and now we might gonna retest at this level. So yeah, these are the valid support levels. Okay, these are valid support levels. Now heading down, where to find on Binance that at which price I purchase a coin. you can go to the Binance and go to the trade history. Rahul Kumar, you have to go to the Binance either on your mobile phone or whichever device you use. Go to their trade history. Okay, go to your wallet, go to your profile, find out the trades history on the left side of the tab, and then you can find out at the price, at what price you purchased. Can you do the, I think I have done with that. Okay, I have done with that, and I recommend you not to buy this coin because it is an old coin and it has not performed yet, and I don't think so it is a good coin. Buy XEC ka batao na please. XEC, let me find out again. I have told, I think in this video I have tried to do the analysis on this coin so many times, and you can see again the price is going down, and you can see I think the BTC is unstable. Unless and until we see the BTC get stable, the price of all altcoins are not gonna stable. Okay, so these are the levels. Okay, साहिल सलमानी भाई, ये लेवल्स हैं आपके लिए, ठीक है. यू हैव टू ओबे दीज लेवल्स बिकॉज ये लेवल अभी फ़िलहाल ये लेवल जो है ना, सॉरी, कम ऑन मैन, दिस लेवल, ओके, दिस लेवल हैज़ नॉट बीन टेस्टेड. ओके, तो ये लेवल अभी हम टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, अगर ये लेवल ब्रेकआउट हो जाता है, इससे नीचे जाता है, देन वी वुड बी इन द डाउन ट्रेंड. सो इट यूजुअली फॉलोज द parabolic move. After the parabolic move, sorry, we see a huge dump. Okay, and this level has not been retested, and 22650 might be coming soon. Okay, so be prepared for it. Okay, and place your buy orders and let it go into the sideways. That would be good. Once it get into the sideways or the ranging market, that would be a good area to place your buy orders. Otherwise, I would stay away from this coin right now, because I don't think so, because of the huge candle. You see the candle, you see the huge candle, it is huge than the other one, so it means the momentum is on. There is a large momentum, so we might gonna see this level getting tested. Although on the downside we have a low volume, but it would I'm gonna decide at the end of the day. Right now I don't think so. Wait for the proper confirmation or the proper sideways movement. Once we get into the sideways movement, then we will get to know what the price of XEC is gonna do, Ecash is gonna do. Anchor has been done. A long waiting time for Mobox to bounce back up. Mobox, the volume is so low, I would suggest you to stay away. Okay, you can see here the price, you can see is in the downtrend. And so many times, guys, so many times, whenever there is a breakout, it has to retest. Okay, it has to retest. So many times I have told you guys, please don't do the mistakes of whenever there is a breakout, it has to retest. It has to retest. You can see, if you follow the pattern, the price came up, retest, price came up, retest. Okay, if I show you this one again, up, retest, up, retest, up, retest, up. This was the area when there was a signal, there was a indication the price is gonna, because it retested, but it further broken this level. So this was the point, this was the area or indication that the price is gonna break. And what happened afterward? The price came up to retest the all-time lower of the all-time high, and after retesting, it was sure that the price is gonna move down, and it went down strongly. So try to follow the pattern, guys. And it retested from here, then again it retested, came down, then again retested this level, came down. So it is in the downtrend right now. Okay, it is in the downtrend. Yeah, we might gonna consolidate at this level, but still, you see the candle is below 5.78. so if it closes below this level, then we might see 5.0 coming soon. And this level, you can see after the breakout from here, we haven't seen any retesting at these areas. So $5 and $4 is also coming soon as well. This area and this area is also coming soon for the Mobox. So yeah, this is it. Try to follow the pattern. Okay, going down, we have can you check XEC done, CSP or and XEC done. CSPR, just going quick overview on the CSPR, then I will go for this. I think I made a video a few days ago for this coin. Yeah, I made the video on this coin few days ago. I think that was a low supply. No, not low supply, but it has a good opportunity in the future, and I think it was might be in the Binance Smart Chain top MVB program. Yeah, it has a good opportunity. I had already made a video on this one. I have already made a video on this one. And what is this one? Okay, this coin has been listed or whatever the thing is. I think this is too much on the upside. I have to find out. Come on, man. Okay, I would suggest, I don't know why it is not working, but it is a good coin. It seems to be a good coin. Okay, and I will do the detailed analysis in the video because there are so many requests, Steve, so sorry for that. Hi dear, what's your opinion about the FTM? Hussein Hatim. Okay, FTM, good coin, top quality coin, one of the best ones on the Binance, and you can already see the coin is performing. Went up, retested, went up, retested, went up, retested, bullish moves, went up, retested, again went up, retested, venting up, retested, went up, retest. So yeah, it is in the bullish trend. It is going in the bullish direction right now, and it is bullish, and we might gonna see some fall back as well because parabolic move is being followed on the daily chart. We might gonna see fall back. I don't suggest you to buy right now because a huge sell-off is gonna occur, just like it happened with the Ecash and all other coins. It has pumped. I don't think so it would be a good time to enter because it has pumped, so I would stay away, and we'll try to find out let me turn on the emails just to find out where could I take an entry. 13 EMA is so super bullish. You see 13 EMA is super bullish. Okay, super bullish. You can see the candles are above, so we might gonna see this candle. If it falls, we might gonna retrace at this level. So the level, this one could be a good level to place a buy entry, is 1.21 in case you miss the entries, and that next one would be this one because this was the area of breakout. So eventually if we see this pattern, the price is gonna go down, this, then a retest on the upside, then we want gonna see a distribution slowly, and then a move towards this one, and then we can have accumulation and a move on the upside. So this happens with the coin. So FTM is a strong project, brother, and I would stay away from it because it has pumped already, and you can see downside the volume is decreasing as well. So it is usually a bull trap. Yes, you can do the scalp on the smaller time frame, but very risky. You should try Dogecoin. I don't know about the Dogecoin. Guys, I'm going through all the comments, so bear with me. Dogecoin, just going through all the coins here. 562 low volume coin, Ethereum blockchain, Etherscan, and market where it is listed, and the supply. Just take a look at the supply. Huge supply coin, huge supply. Okay, the volume needs to be huge as well. And if I show you the Twitter, just hold on, I'm going back to your comments. 53,000 wallets. Okay, that's huge. 5%, you can see here the biggest wallet. I might be thinking that this might be the biggest wallet. 5%, so 10% holding by the two wallets, so 10% holding by two wallets, and I don't see, this could be a burning address as well. And that address, let me have to find out this one, and you can see, not pretty sure about this one. Let me find out one more time. Just wanted to see some stuff here, and then I will. This was created back in 2017. You can see here. So aims to be a, so this is, I think, might be a wallet holder. Yeah, I think this is a devs holder wallet. So if I follow the same pattern for other coins, just hold on guys, just hold on, coming back to your queries. So huge supply but low volume, okay, huge supply but low volume, and it has to be listed on huge exchanges. Hotbit might be one of the medium exchange, but it has to be listed on the huge exchanges, and you can see the total volume is very low. It is even 3 BTC might be. So I don't think so, it needs time. And just want to take a look at this one, okay. And yeah, the community is good, they are consistently updating and uploading, but they need to at least audit their coin, and they need to at least list this coin on some top tier exchanges. Now heading down, we have ADA done, hello, dent, one more thing guys, dent, okay. Dent has pumped a few days here, it was pumped, and I made some strong profit with that, okay. You can see the dent is in the consolidation or the sideways move here at the sideways momentum. It has a lot of potential. 0. This is our area of support 5, 6, 17, and you can see the price is testing this level. If it closes below, then the price is gonna move down, and this is the 51 EMA, so we might gonna see retest at this level and then a move towards the upside. But again, it depends on the BTC, so keep an eye on the BTC as well, okay. And you can see the volume is going down, so 0.56 would be a good area, and it still has a lot of potential left in. And the next spot or take profit would be this one here, just going through 0.00952. so you can do the scalp on this coin, okay, you can do the scalping on this coin. But if it falls below, we can have this level to be our next spot, okay. Sorry for this one, not this one, but this area, okay, just to make sure that you get all the levels correctly, and you can place your buy limits according to these ones. So these are my levels of support, okay. If it falls, if this level gets broken, then this level is gonna be tested. On the upside, you can sell wherever you want to, whatever profit you want to take. ADA will be $6 plus by the end of the year. It will depend on the DEX exchanges, because we saw that there might be, I show you here coin market cal. If I continue here, you see here Alonzo hard fork on the 12th of just you can see we are targeting 12th September for the Alonzo upgrade, bringing smart contracts to Cardano via hard fork. So yeah, we can say that $6 might be possible, because but for that $6, if we take a look at the volume needs to be high. It needs to be double as of now. If we take a look at the volume is 6.8 billion. It has to cross, it has to double, it has to be 12 billion for the price to move to the $6, okay. So right now $6 billion. If we take a look at the total volume of all the coins, for example this one Ethereum, you can see its total volume is 23 billion, okay. So if this volume gets shifted to ADA, then it is possible, okay. So let's move on. Anchor done, Delta Coin done, Raydium. Steve, you are requesting too much. I have to give time for other people as well. Thank you. I tried my first short with this coin, bought it at all-time high. FTMX 200, best crypto, the new BTC. Audio, Raydium, CHZ. I'm gonna do the quick analysis, not a long analysis, Steve. Raydium, just going through all the levels here. And Raydium is pretty new coin, and new coins always are very difficult to analyze. But here you can see I have already drawn the levels at this area, and you saw a huge dump towards the downside, then a move towards the upside. I'm not sure about this coin, I'm not sure to be honest, but here the volume is going good. it's going crazy. But you can see a long wicks on the upside and on the downside. So it means the long wicks means that people are taking the profits. People are taking the profit. These long wicks shows you, the long wicks shows you the profit. People are taking the profit. They are not accumulating. Okay, so make sure, keep that in your mind. People are not accumulating. They are, you know, they are pushing the price upward and selling as well. So I would stay away from that coin which pushes the price upward with the long wicks. Okay, long wicks on the upside is very risky because it means the people are taking the profits. They are, you know, selling. So if you get stuck at these prices, guys, it would be very hard to recover it. Okay, so pretty new coin. I would suggest you to go and find out some other one. Audio coin, I think I've done the audio here. The price is ranging at, yeah, I have told you guys that this is the area of support. It was breakout. If it break out below, the price is gonna retest this level. If it break out on the upside, then we're gonna move on the upside. Here you can see the range of the market here, $3. Okay, if it crosses $3, then the price is bullish. If it crosses this area, and let me show this one, 2.4 or anything going below, let me show you this one. Okay, that would be a good spot. If anything going below 2.3, then the price is gonna retest at $2, and that would be also possible because this level has not been retested. Okay, quickly going through CHZ. Okay, I'm gonna make a quick move because there are a lot of requests pending right now, so I have to make quick moves, and I think I have made that video as well. You see the price is following this trend line, so this is the point of confluence. We might gonna retest at the, let me find out the levels. It is swing high, and let me find this area would be a good area of support level as well. So let me drag this price tag from this area to 0.3897 would be a good area. 0.41 is the level which is being currently tested, so we might gonna see a retest at this area as well, 0.397, because after the breakout this level has not been tested, so 0.3897 is gonna be retested again. Okay, and if we take a look at here, the breakout was from this level, so this can also be retested. So I'm gonna, just to make sure that you stay in the safe zone, these are the levels. Okay, support one, if it gets broken, this is gonna test it. If it gets broken, then this level, but this is the strong support. These are the fractal supports. Fractal means a zone inside a zone. Now heading, thank you. If I go down, okay, I'm holding almost 6 million XE. It's gonna boom again. Any new updates? XCC, okay, or sell them at loss. You have to DCA if it depends on your goals. You know, Shian Hussain, it depends on your goal. FTM 200x best crypto. Yeah, FTM is a good coin. Already told you that FTM is a very good coin, but wait for the retracement of this coin. Phantom is one of the top coins. Okay, but wait for the retracements. Okay, wait for the retracement. It has a good potential, but I was, you know, making a comment that this coin has already topped, so wait for the retracement. If you have, you know, if you have missed the opportunity, you can place your buy orders here, because after the parabolic move we see a huge sell-off. Okay, so huge sell-off is also available, is also gonna come. So during that sell-off you can place your buy entries at these areas, and these are important. After the breakout, you see, after the breakout huge parabolic move, what happened? If you follow the market structure, you see whenever there's a breakout, it usually, you know, follows with a huge parabolic move with a strong volume. Then we see a huge sell-off, and then accumulation, distribution, that phases. So it eventually gonna come down and hold this level. During that holding, you can place your buy orders at these areas. Okay, Shayan Hussain, I would suggest you to wait for the you know, proper sideways movement of the XEC. Otherwise, you know, stay away from it. You can see the price is testing this level with a huge you know, with a huge candle, so we might gonna break down below at this level. So you can place your buy orders. This level has also not been tested, so it would be a risky area This could also be tested. Okay, you can see eventually every levels are getting tested. Okay, every levels are getting tested. Just follow the pattern. This was a swing high, it got tested. This was a swing high, it has to be tested. This is a swing high, it has to be tested. So these are the important levels. If we see any candle closing below this area, then these levels are gonna be tested. Okay, during these but if it stays above this level and go into the sideways, then it would be a good area to move from here as well. So going down the list, we have okay, now should I buy SLP or should I wait? Thanks. SLP might gonna dump more. Okay, it's gonna dump more, but again it depends. Okay, you can see the price went up to 0.12, and you see it is still in the phase of 50-50 right now, although it has bottomed from the both sides. You can see from this area and this area. So double bottom, it's a good sign. We might gonna see some move towards the upside. Let me delete this one fair. Let me delete these first. Let me delete everything for you, okay, to make this chart clear. Now you can see here the level has been tested twice. Okay, twice it has made the double bottom here at this level. So after the double bottom, we need some strong volume, and you see on the downside there is a strong volume. So it is a good indication that we might gonna move from here, but again it has to cross these levels. Let me draw these levels for you. Okay, let me draw with the help of this one. Okay, it has to move above this one. Okay, 13, then this one. These are the steps. Okay, these are the step it has to cross, then the price would be in the good momentum here. You can, these are the levels. Okay, so these would be our take profits. These would be our take profits, but first it has to move on the upside. But on the downside, you can see there is also a bottom coming as well. So let me show you. Let me draw the level from here. You can see this is a bottom as well. So if this level holds, it means that we might gonna pump from here. But if this level fails to get broken, then the price is gonna come down. You can see the pattern. You can clearly see the price went up, came down, made a new swing low, and retested on the green candle. Again the price came down. Okay, here at this level made a new swing low, then again price came up to retest the previous swing high. Again price made a new swing low, price came up, retested the previous swing high. Now at this level it is a good confirmation that here, if you follow, it has not made the swing low. If it falls below, then we could say that the price is following the same pattern, but still we need this candle to hold above this area of 0.1105. Then we could say that the price eventually has broken out of this downward channel. Okay, you got the understanding what I wanted to tell you. Okay, Denta coin, I have told you I have done with the Denta coin. DCN I have done with that. I don't think so it is a good coin. It is an old coin, but I don't think so. Low supply, low volume coin, very low volume. I pray XEC booms again. Yeah, now which coin we can take? Alithrine, Jangirthrine, Alithrine. Yeah, now which coin we take? Yeah, I think depend on you. It depends कि फिलहाल BTC की movement क्या है. BTC is not right now ना, अभी फिलहाल वो stable नहीं है. Okay, if I take a look at the BTC one more time, and before going down the lists, if you take a look at the BTC, you see the price we might gonna see this level being tested, 49.50, 561 level. The reason because it broke out from this level. Now we have to test this level. We have tested this level, although we have tested this swing high, but we might also gonna retest at this area. Okay, agar ye area aata hai again, then the alts are gonna dump more. Okay, so try to find out those coins. For example, if you go to the coin market cap, okay, try to find out. It depends on you which coin you want to take. It depends on your goals, Alitrin. It depends on your goals. If you want to do the scalping on the daily basis, you can find out those coins having high volumes, like these coins, the Polka, Uniswap, Chainlink. You know, if I show you the top 100 coins would be the best coins if you want to take an entry. So, and also those coins which are near the spot, try to find out those coins. For example, TVK. If I show you the TVK, coin here, you can take a look at yourself. 32, it made the swing low at this area of 31.22. okay, and this coin is also a good coin. You can see it is in a ranging market right now. Okay, so we might gonna see this coin gonna move upward because it is going in the upward direction. Here you can take a look at yourself, the candles, you can see the VIXs, so it is going in the upward direction. So we might gonna see a retracement from this coin as well. So try to find out those coins which are in the ranging market. If you are doing the scalping, if you want to do the long-term trading, then find those coins which are in accumulation phase, and that's it. Okay, going down, XCC, Ahmed King, I have done that. XCC, want WRX, I think I done with the WRX as well. And let me show you the WRX. These are the levels. Okay, once again let me show you, these are the levels. Price went up. If it goes down below 1.3, then the price is gonna fall further more. Okay, and the next level of support could be this one and this one as well. So this is a good level of support if it falls below the level of 1.36. okay, these are the current support levels, and you can see the coin has formed a V-shape type of thing, and now we might gonna retrace from here, but again depends on the closing of the candle. And you can see these two trend lines have been broken, so we're gonna retrace back to 1.5. from there it can further fall down due to the breakout. So I think 1.368 is an important level. Okay, next up, Shivam Chauhan. There are so many. Haris Mughal is here. Thank you for tuning in, Haris Mughal, our partner, our next partner. You can ask him in the DMs as well. The link is in the description, and you can text him as well. He is gonna guide you, Haris Mughal. Okay, and Shivam Chauhan, NKN and LTC NKN. Just going through NKN. Okay, NKN, it tested this all the levels. I have drawn these levels way before. Okay, you can see the price tested this level of support, and it is currently holding this support. But if it falls below, then what could be the next level? And that should be the next level. Easy, no problem whatsoever. Okay, and for that, first let me show you the chart, the pattern. Okay, let me delete everything. I'm gonna make another pattern, no problem. If you see, we saw a huge bullish move, and after the bullish move usually we see a retracement, and this is what it is happening. But to what area it can retrace back? We have this area as well, we have this area as well. So on the weekly scale, if we take a look at these levels, these are important levels for NKN and important level for this one. Okay, so the price is gonna it is following this one. You can see there is this is called the accumulation phase. You see 1 2 3 4 5 weeks of accumulation, and then we saw a breakout. So always try to find out the accumulation phase and try to buy in the accumulation zone. That is the correct area or the correct time. So on the daily chart, we see, you can see here the trend line is being respected multiple times, but if it breaks, this is an important key area right now. Okay, key area for the NKN. You see here, the reason being, you see this is a trend line. If this trend line gets broken, we are going down to 0.3548, and then we can retrace from here to that area. During that retracement you can place your buy orders, but I would suggest you right now to stay away. Don't buy right now because the candle is still not closed and the BTC is still unstable. It has not done with today's candle. And there's another level I have just found out another level. So this is a fractal area. Okay, so these are the levels of support for the NCAN. But again, the major thing is if this trend line gets broken, then the price is gonna fall back to this area after such a huge, you can see the uptrend. So going down the list, Haris Mughal, you have any requests, please let me know in the comment section. Cake, please. Cake is a good coin. Sorry guys, I'm taking so much time because there are so many requests I have to make. And if we take a look at here, the price went up from this area. That was a good area to buy, man. This was a good area to buy. Again, let me show you an area of support level would be this one. 21.18 is a good area to place your buy orders, and on the downside we have this as a support level, strong support levels. Okay, so if it falls below, you can place your buy orders 21 at 18. This coin is such a coin you can buy and hold, because you can even stake this coin on the PancakeSwap. So this is the one coin which I recommend. If you can even buy at higher prices, don't worry, you can stake them, farm them, or whatever you can do. So this coin is good for long-term holding. You can do the PancakeSwap pool farming and staking, and it will give you returns in back. But here, if you want to do the scalping, or if you want to buy at major levels, then these are the major levels. 18 and 21 are good major levels where you can place your buy orders. Okay, but if it falls below $18, then surely the price is gonna dump hard, and it's gonna dump hard to the level here at this area 14.6, and that would be a bonus area to buy. But that's not gonna happen. But this is crypto, anything can happen. Solana, man, Solana is going crazy. Solana is going crazy, guys, crazy. You see, I already made the prediction. You see, I already made the prediction few days ago, and you see I have made this analysis for you guys. That, let me show you this one. If I turn this, you can see I made the prediction that it's gonna touch the levels. And if I show you all-time high, it made almost 200. I made the video on YouTube. You can see that video, and it touched the $200. So Solana is going crazy, man. It's going crazy every day. When I get up, I see Solana on the top of the list. So never know when it's gonna fall back. But let me delete this one here. Let me delete this one and this layer here. Okay, these are the levels if you want to place your buy orders. But you see here, it stayed for a few time, for 4 days, and then break out again. So we might gonna stay at this area. If you want to place scalping orders, you can place at this area. Okay, so this is 162. It can be retested at this level. And then if we stayed here for a few days, then we might gonna see another move towards the upside. But if it falls back, if it breaks down, then that would be our next area of support, 129, or you can say this one as well, 134. So this is only for short term, okay, not for the long term. Don't say, because it can also fall back to this level as well. But here you can see the huge volume over the last 3 days. Huge volume is going in, so it means that was a good area to scalp. Okay, going down the list, can you please suggest me a book to learn patterns for trading, for scalping? I would suggest you, I haven't learned, but let me show you the books here. I think I have made a list. I will update. Okay, I will update the list. Okay, and for scalping, I would suggest you to let me show you. First, you have to go onto the 4-hour chart. Okay, go to the 4-hour chart, draw the major levels, then head over to 1-hour chart and then the 15-minute chart, and okay, and try to on the EMAs 21 and 100 EMA would be a good areas. For example, if I show you the 21 and 13 EMA like this one here, this is the 13 EMA, 21, I would turn off this one here. If you take a look at this one, you can see on the 15-minute chart, let me show you here. Now if I show you the scalping here on the 15-minute chart, you see how the price got retested from 100 EMA, then retested the 21 EMA. So whenever we see candles moving upward above 21 EMA, then it's a good area to buy and you can do the scalp, and on the retest you can sell as well. But if you want to keep adding, you can see how the 21 EMA was tested here. You can see the live, you can see here. Now again we are right now going below the 21 EMA, so I would not take an entry right now because it has broken the 21 EMA. For the scalping, I would wait for this area. Okay, I would wait for the 100 EMA to get tested, and that test should be done at this point. Okay, you can see this is the point of confluence. Point of confluence mean where two or more points are touching. Here the EMA 100 EMA, which is an important EMA, very important EMA, and also we have the support level here as well. So if you want to do the scalp, you can do the scalping at this area. 169 would be a good area to buy, but again the BTC is not stable, but these are the levels you can place your entries. So this is for the scalping. Salam, appreciate live streaming, hope you get Dani, thank you so much. I think I have already read this message before. Buy kindly do BTT as well, like Mujahid brother, thank you for texting BTT as well. So let's head over to the BTT and let me find out how much time is it. Okay, it has taken approximately how much time? 2 hours. Yeah, I think so. So let's head over to where is the chart? Okay, BTT. Okay, now let's head over to the BTT. You can see on the daily chart. Okay, let me check out the daily one, and here is the thing. I told that if this coin holds above, we might gonna touch the level of 62, but it did not. It broke down, but still this is valid. But not right now, it has been invalidated, so I'm gonna remove this one. And if I take a look at the downside, let me show you the levels here at this area. Good, that would be a good area to place your buy orders on the daily chart. 38 is possible. Let's analyze the charts. Price came up, made swing high, then few candles came down to retest the breakout. So this was a breakout which was retested. Again the price came up to retest the swing high, then price came down to retest the low, then again came up to retest the, so this was the point of ranging. This was range inside a range. Can you see this is the range, and what happened? We broke the range. It again came down to retest this level, then we saw another ranging market here, then we saw a breakout from this level. So breakout candle, so I always look for the breakout areas because those areas get tested. So I think this area can get tested on a smaller time frame. So 42,000 would be a good area to place your buy entries at this area. Okay, 42,000, 4287 on the, if you want to do a scalp. If I go to the 4-hour chart, you can see the candle has just closed below, so we might be going down. I think the BTC not looking good. I need to find out. Yeah, the BTC is going down, that is why all the dumps are happening. You can see here, so the BTC is going down, so that is why you can place your buy entries accordingly. So hope for the BTC to stay above. So these are the level, like Mujahid, these are the levels 4287. And if we take a look at the 4-hour chart, if I draw the trend line, you can see we have broken the trend line and it was tested, and now we are going in the downward direction. So if I'll draw the level from this area as well, you can see here, yeah, this level, this could be a valid trend line. So and also it is testing the 100 EMA. Okay, this 100 EMA is being tested right now. So when you see these EMAs together, it means we are in the ranging phase or sideways. Okay, but when we see a huge gap in between these two EMAs, it means the price either is in the uptrend or in the downtrend. Right now, because the price is going down, so we might gonna see some downward movements towards the 42.87. okay, right now could you please check and analyze ICP? Okay, who is this guy? I don't pronounce Kihu. Kihu, you are from Kenya? Don't know. Okay, ICP going hard again, going down. These levels been already drawn for you. I think I have made the video for this one. Okay, and if I show you the range, this is the ranging market. Again, the ranging, this coin is in the range here. This is the range, and it break out from here, but now it is going down. So we might gonna see a retracement from this level, because here try to look for the breakout candle. This is a breakout candle, so breakout candle gets retested, so we might gonna see a retest at 67, which is more probable. Okay, why? Because we saw so many candles here: 1 test, 2 test, 3 test, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then a breakout. So during the breakout candle, here you can see this was also a breakout candle. Okay, and you can see the candle retested from the breakout area. So if we see this pattern, then this could also be possible. So 65 and 67.9, this area is what I'm gonna looking for to scalp or to day trade at this area. So it is a good area for the scalping. ICP is a good area to buy. Okay, and if it falls below, then we might gonna see this level and these levels as well, as the price is in the it is trying to move in the upward direction. If I turn on the tool from here, and you can see here, if we see the trend line, we see one. Let me turn off the EMAs for now, and if we take a look at this one, this was a retest, got rejected, test, got rejected, test, got rejected. So this would be a point of confluence. So 67 and 65, this would be a good area to place your buy orders. Okay, going down, like Mujahid मैंने आपको बता दिया है, like Mujahid BTT का आपको बता दिया, all money going off the bank into BTT. Yes, it happens. It happens when there is a dump. People sell their stuff and go to take positions in the BTC. It happens over the years. Sir, I short, what can I wait, close with lose? Sir, wait. Well, right now the BTC is not, you have to place your shorts after the confirmation. Without confirmations, I don't think so it's a good idea. But as you have placed your shorts, it can also be a short trap as well. So I would suggest you to close your position at the break even. Okay, it is approaching this level because it can retrace back. If I show you the chart of the BTC again one more time, USDT here, if I show you, you can see it is approaching. In fact, it is going down. So what I think is, if it breaks below 562, then you should stay in this level. I think you should stay in this position because it's gonna go down to 561. Okay, but it depends on your the leverage you took and the amount of capital, or you're doing the isolated or the cross margin. It depends on your position. Okay, going down the list. Okay, hi from Brazil, hi from Pakistan, alpaca. I think, let me find out this one. I have never heard of this coin before as well. Okay, that would be Alpaca Finance. Okay, 50 million. Okay, yeah, okay. So this coin is a good coin, seems to be a good coin. If I show you the community and the explorer to check out the addresses, 49,000 addresses, and steady growth of you can see here steady growth. And if we take a look at the holders of the coin, the burning address. Okay, so yeah, it is a good coin because the maximum wallet holding 1%, so it is a good coin. because first I check the wallets. Okay, so wallets are very important. If I show the, you know, this one on the Twitter, so they have a pretty active, you know, you can see here, active community. So yeah, it's a good coin. Long term, it is a good coin. Let me delete everyone. Let me close every tab for you guys to narrow down the. Okay, let's head over to, I think the ticker would be alpaca. Okay, find out. Okay, let's find out this coin. Okay, it's a new coin, but due to the BTC going down, so that is why the price is going down as well. Here we have support levels at this area. This first support would be this one, the second would be this one. So these are the area of support levels, 1.16, and this one here, 1.11. so this is the support level. Right now the BTC is going hard down. If I show you, let me you know, open another trading view for the BTC value, because the BTC is going down, and you can see the price of this coin is also going down as well. So I would suggest you to place your buy orders at certain areas. Here, let me show you. Here you can see the price is in the downward channel. Here you can see here. So we need to stay in, you know, we need to move into the sideways or the, you know, you can see the ranging market for the price to move up. If I show you the Bitcoin from here, let me draw the BTC USDT pair from this one. It's not showing the Binance one. Don't know why it is not showing the Binance version. Okay, Bitcoin, it has to show the BTC. Why it is not showing the other? Okay, sorry, I have to show from all sources, BTC USDT. Now you see again the same thing. The BTC is trying to you know, push below this area, so that is why I'm gonna take a look at the 1 hour chart. So to, you know, get to know about the scalping, where the scalping is going. Right now you can see the BTC might going to retrace back to this area, 49,000, as the chart is suggesting. We need a strong move on the upside. If I go to the 2 hour chart, and let's find out the area here, need to find out some important areas for the BTC. Yes, this is a good area. This is the good area here. 50,004 20. Yeah, this one would be yeah, 50,390. Guys, if this area gets broken, then we might be going down. We might be going down towards this area here at this level, and that would be you know, 49,000. So we might gonna see another 1,000 you know, fall of price, because here we have broken the support level, and this is the fractal support, 50,390, and 49,388 is another fractal support. So majors are here. This could also be taken into account as a major, but the BTC is not looking stable, so we need some consolidation for the BTC. But here it is for you. If I go down, what about XEC Sajid? I have already done with the XEC. If I show you the XEC one more time, you can see this is the XEC chart, and these levels gonna test again. So many times told you this level is gonna test, the breakout candle is gonna test at this level. This level is also, you know, this level is remain you know, untested. This level is also remained updated or untested. Alpha coin, okay. XLM, TRX, okay, TRX, one of the major coins and old coins as well. So monthly area, I have drawn the levels for that coin as well. Monthly area would be this one. Again, turn on the magnet tool. 0.08 is the level. Okay, on the upside we have this as a support level. Okay, why? Because if I show you the level here, this is our monthly daily area as well. So 0.0894. You see the price, you know, made swing high, and this was a breakout, and you see retest at this level twice. So this is an important level. If we break below 0.082, that would be a stop loss, and then the next stop would be at this area. Okay, that would be an area around this one, 0.0752. So right now we might gonna retest at this level because it is also going super bullish, and you can see in the past we have, this was a swing low candle, so it is a major level. If this level gets broken, then these are the levels. XLM going down the list, guys, going down the list. XLM stellar coin, another major coin, another gem of a coin. So if I show you the pattern here, we saw the breakout from this area. We might gonna retest at this level. With the help of the pattern, we can, you know, look for, here we saw one retest, then second retest, and then a breakout. Okay, so we saw double bottom here. We saw one bottom and two bottoms, and then the price came up. So it needs to hold above this area, 0.3849. okay, it needs to hold above, but right now it is breaking below. So the next target, this is a daily chart, so I think the next target, I need to find out the level. I'm trying it. Yeah, this is also available to test. 0.35 is also, can also be tested as well for the stellar, and this could also, this is also a breakout candle. So I would go for trying to find out the candle. Yeah, this is a swing low here. So this level, these are the three major levels for the stellar. Okay, if it you know, breaks below this area, then you can place your entries around this one. TVK, yeah, TVK is going good. Again, if I show you the BUSD version, it is going good. 31.55, it's going good, crazy. And you can place your buy orders. If I show you the 1 hour chart of this coin, you can see it is going down because we have broken below this level of support. So the next area of support would be this one. Okay, let me show you the a level of support for this coin. So you can place your buy entries on this one and this one, 0.929812805. So these are important key areas for the TVK. And again, telling you guys that it is in the accumulation and ranging market, more of accumulation or ranging phase. So you can see here. So going down the list, do we have anything else? Crypto with, I don't know why these messages are retracted. I don't know why this message has been retracted. Don't know why. BNB done, KSM. If I go down the list, sir, any 100x coin like Solana. Okay, so let me find out. KSM TVK, thanks bro, you're a legend, thank you very much. Link update, thank you very much, thank you. Idex done, Gitcoin done. KSM, okay, KSM, update us about the multi-vac. Okay, please update us on the Waxp. I bought it at 0 point. Should I hold or sell? Please help. Okay, Waxp, one more time for the Waxp coin. Let's find out the Waxp. You bought at 0.5. man, you bought at the wrong position. You bought at 0.5, man. This is insane. You bought at this area. Let me find out the areas here. You bought at this area, so you must have bought on the first day of listing. You have bought at the wrong time, my brother. So you bought at this area. Now I think if I go to the, let me show you this one, it is about to break the support, which is not a good thing. I'm not gonna threaten you, but this is the support of level. If it goes below, then it would be a bad thing for Waxp. If I go further down, you can see we might going to have another level at this area. So this is another support level, 0.2957, 0.3298. so these are the levels. If this level gets broken, then we surely gonna move down. But you can see the low volume candles might be accumulation is going on, but we have broken the region. We might go break out below, and then this is the area to place your orders, because this area has been tested in the past, and this is pretty new coin, so that would be a risky. Don't know where the bottom is, because price started from 0.18. it can go down to that level as well. If I draw the Fibonacci from low to high, you can see here, yeah, it's a good area to place your buy orders, but if it breaks below, then price is gonna fall more. If I reverse it, let me show you the reverse side of it so I can get more idea about this one. Yeah, it's going down. So that's it for the Waxp. Do you have anything to talk about the Idex? I have already talked about the Idex, brother. I have talked about the Idex so many times. I think you missed the, you see here the price is going crazy, 4 hour, and these are the levels. Still I'm telling you guys, the breakout candle can also be tested. It has happened over the years, and you can see huge breakout after a lot of accumulation. Accumulation went for, you can see here, so much accumulation. If I turn on the price and data chart, where is that one? I think this one, price and data range here. If I draw the line from this area, you can see 378 days of accumulation, then it has to happen, and it has happened. Okay, so that is why we are facing so much bullish move. But again, it can go to these levels. I have mentioned the levels with the help of the Fibonacci 161 and other as well. So I think that ATA pumping now. Okay, let's find out the ATA as well. USDT spell token. Okay, pumping, I think so. Need to find out the levels. Okay, these are the levels, phases of the market. Okay, let's find out the phases of the market. Okay, 1.15, 1.31. So if it stays above 1.3157 level ATA coin, okay, then it is holding the support. Okay, that is the main thing, it should hold this support. But if it breaks below, then you see this is the breakout candle. It can fall back too much. You can see here we can have a fall back towards this area. If it falls below, it can go down to 0.7, and it can also go down to 0.8 if these two levels got broken. Let me show you this one here, 1.31, 1.51. okay, if this level is gets hold by the ATA, then we would be making an upward move. But if this level gets broken, then we are going down to 0.88 and 0.77. Okay, do we have anything else? TVX, thanks for thanking my IDX Gitcoin, please. KSM, let's find out the KSM as well. Okay guys, KSM, wow, huge wick towards the downside, and it wicked from 16%, but damn, that is good. KSM strong. Okay, let me delete everything to make the chart clear and analyze it from the beginning. Okay, yeah, you see breakout candle and a retest. Good bullish move. It is holding the support. Good bullish move. Okay, if I draw the levels and this level as well. Okay, let me draw the price here, 318. yeah, it has tested this level, and on the daily chart you can see yes, it is holding the level. Again, I'm gonna delete the weekly area. I'm gonna draw new levels from this area to make it more prominent for you guys. 313, strong support at this area. 313 is a good strong support. And if I show you the momentum here, you see breakout candle and a retest. Told you so many times that retest has to happen, and it has happened here. The price went up, then a retest, and it was due. You can see in the past here, price went up, and after few candles it retested. Okay, price went up, after few candles it retested. Okay, here the price made up, and after a few candles it did not retested at this level because the next candle already retested. So that is why it retested the upper part of the body. So I'm gonna draw another level for you guys. Yeah, this one is a good area to hold the price as well. So 260 is a good, but right now the KSM is performing very well. It's performing very great. KSM is holding good, and it's a good sign for the KSM. If I draw the levels towards this area, this is a swing low, swing high. Yeah, this is a good area. Now if it closes above 395 today, and let me find out, there are so many levels in this coin, guys. Not a single level. I have to find many levels for this coin. Okay, if it stays above this area, okay, 345, then we might gonna consolidate and retest 395, and if it breaks 395, the price is gonna move, and it's gonna move hard, and it's gonna move towards this area here. If I draw the level, yeah, it's gonna retest at this area. Okay, 476 is a TP, but again it depends on its candle closing. If it closes above 345, then it's a good area. Okay, going down the list, link update, Gitcoin. Okay, please update on Waxp. Can we find out? So guys, okay, Shivam Chauhan, yes, I am tired right now. I'm tired right now because doing this analysis for 2 hours, and LTC USDT, I think I have predicted almost 30 plus coins in this video. 30 plus coins over the course of 2 hours. I've done the analysis for you. Okay, this is the candle. You can see 183, a good level to hold. This is a daily chart. Okay, first I'm gonna draw the levels on the daily one, and you can see the price is testing the support level, so very important level. If this level holds, then it's gonna stay above. Otherwise, if you look closely, if you let me show you here. If I show you, just take a look at the breakout candle. The breakout candle, this area is not tested, so we might gonna retest at this area 183. It is on, this scene is on, brother. It can retest, because if you follow the pattern from this area, let me show you here. So although it is not a valid, but you see 3 touches here, so we can consider this area testing in the future. You can also see the 21, and 21 EMA is gonna roll back to this area, so we might gonna retest at 183, but if and only if it stays below 206. But if it stays above 206, then the price will be bullish. And these are the levels, and these are the TPs. Basically these are the take profit levels. Okay, so where is that? Let me draw the level here. 244 is also available. So LTC done. Okay, and yeah, you can see double bottom from here. You can clearly see we saw double bottom and then the breakout, and in the upward direction, going in the upward move. Okay, what else do we have here? CHG has been done. Muhammad Ali, Waxp has been done. Okay, talk about Idex done. XRP, let's find out the XRP for Nabil. XRP, major altcoin, one of the majors in the cryptocurrency, one of the oldest as well, turning off the EMAs and the volume and everything. Let's delete everything and find out the areas. Now you see the breakout and the retest at this swing high, so clear areas for, let me draw this one, and this good area of support, demand zone. You can call this one as a demand zone. So $1 1.1 is a good area of support. Now on the upside, if we take a look at, this is a swing high candle, and if we take this as a demand, now this is a supply zone. You can clearly see how this area got tested once and now it is tested twice. So what is the next target? It needs to close above these areas. Okay, 1.40 and 1.35 currently is the resistance for XRP. Okay, and on the downside we have this as a strong position as a support, and you can see over the last 3 weeks it is staying in between this range, so it is in a ranging phase right now. Okay, so if I turn on the daily chart, Let me show you the daily chart here, and let me show you this one. Okay, let me just readjust them. 1.40, 1.10. Okay, now on the daily areas, you saw we got a rejection from the swing high. Now it is going down. Okay, it is going down, and it has crossed below the swing high candle. So we need to find out the next swing high, and that would be this area. So that would be a retest at this level is also possible at 1.20. Okay, so this is a fractal area. Okay, fractal area, and we might gonna retest at this level 1.2 because it has crossed below the swing high candle and also this previous swing high candles, previous swing high areas. Okay, so it is also possible that but if this level holds, then we might gonna break out 1.40 and 1.35. Otherwise we are going down to 1.20 because this candle has not closed yet. It is still in formation. So 1.20, you can place your buy orders around here for the scalping, not for the long term, but it depends on your goals. And if we take a look at here, the price is in the ranging market here. If I draw the rectangle from this area, let me turn off the magnet tool and show you here from this area, it was in the if I show you, the price came down, up, down, then started to make this lower. This was a breakout point, and it break out, and again we might gonna retest. So this area is possible, 1.20. So I do the analysis on live analysis day to day. Shiba reach 1 rupee Shiba. Okay, let's can you tell in USDT? That would be very helpful for me. Okay, 1 rupee. Is Hotbit and Bitmart is a genuine exchange? Yeah, Hotbit and Bitmart is a good exchange, but these are low low tier exchanges. If you take a look at the Bitmart here on the downside, if I show you the Hotbit from here, oh sorry, not here, sorry. If I show you the Hotbit from here, you can see it is currently at 101 level. Okay, Hotbit. So if we take a look at the weekly visits, it has a lot of weekly visits as compared to other ones, and you can see the Hotbit has 1000 coins. So too many coins are listed on Hotbit. And if I show you the what other you were asking for, let me find out what were you asking about. Bitmart. Okay, let's find out the Bitmart as well. Bitmart, yeah, 125. It is ranked at 125, and this exchange has 309 coins. And if we take a look at the Binance, how many coins? Binance has 385 coins. Okay, and it is #1 exchange. So yeah, Hotbit, Bitmart, among top exchanges. And I don't know how many exchanges are there. Total exchanges, you can see total exchanges are 305, but on the top side you can see, yeah, total exchanges are 405 exchanges. There are total of 405 exchanges, out of which Hotbit and Bitmart are at 125 and 110, I think so. Mikey, salam brother, can you look at theta please? Walaikum salam. Yeah, sure, why not? XRP done, Hotbit done. Sir, any 100x coin like Solana? Well, I have to research for it, but you can join our Telegram group there. Haris is gonna guide you with that. He's gonna trace out the coins. So okay, theta please. Let's find out the theta. Let's find out the theta for it. I think T fuel. Let me find out this one on the theta here. Let's find out the price analysis of theta coin. Good volume, 1.4 billion. The supply is almost 100%. And if we take a look at the, let's head over to Binance, TradingView, and let's find out the price from here. Okay, you can see over the when you are in the bullish trend, we see a lot of retracements. You see retracements, and now again we are seeing the retracements after the bullish trend. So we need to, during the bearish move, you can clearly see more red candles as compared to green candles. You see retest, green retest, green retest, but more of red candles. On the upward, when the price is in the upward direction, we see a lot of green candles here, okay, and few red candles, okay. So right now theta is holding the support level. If I show you the level here, 8.4 is a good level to support. On the downside, on the support level, this could be our next support level for theta coin. If this level gets broken, we might be going down to test 7.6, and if this level further broken, then we would be in the downtrend, okay. So this level needs to hold, because you can clearly see this was the range. Let me show you. This was the range which was broken from this candle. Once this candle was broken, you can see this was the range high. Range high was there, okay, and the candle broke out. Now we are just retesting this range high, okay. So it is easy to track, no problem whatsoever, no problem whatsoever. So it's easy to track. We might gonna retest at this level, okay, 7.6, and let me draw one more time this level, okay, 7.9. so if you are scalping, you can place your buy orders at these areas. Otherwise the price is going in the upward direction, but if this level gets broken, then we are going down to this area one more time, this one, 6.5. so this is the current area, but always keep an eye on the theta. Okay brother, what's up next? Gitcoin. I have to find out the Gitcoin. Let's find out the Gitcoin from the coin market cap. Gitcoin GTC, okay, 318 is the ranking. Total supply 14 million only, okay. You bought at $17, and right now it is at $11. I need to find out the market to find out at which, okay. Let's find out the GTC here as well. GTC USDT, and let's find out, okay, it was recently launched, okay. Now you bought at $17. Again you bought at the high. I think you might have bought at this area, at this point here. This is the area, not this area, but if I draw the price here, $17, yeah, this one here. This one would be good area, 17 at this area. So you bought at the day of listing or the day after the listing. Told you so many times, guys, never buy on the day of listing. Never buy on the day of listing. Just if you have another exchange on which the coin is about to list it. For example, if the coin is about to list it on Binance, try to find out the markets. For example, if there is a Q coin or Gate coin, this coin has already been listed, then you can buy on that exchange and sell on that exchange. Don't buy when the coin is listed on the Binance, because it is only a gamble, and this is what have you done. So $17, it reached at $17. Now let's try to find out the levels. You can clearly see we are breaking the support here. You can see the price was holding this support, but now we are breaking below. So if it goes below, then the price is surely gonna test this level of support here. The next support would be around this area, $9, and it's gonna further add to your injury, but it depends on your capital. If you have invested everything and you have no capital whatsoever, then you have to wait for it, and you have to wait for this price to come. Right now it is breaking the range, so we might gonna consolidate at this area. Otherwise, if this candle closes above the area of let me show you, $11, then there might be chances that it can bounce back. Otherwise, if it closes below, then we are going down to 9.6, and even further below to this area, $7. Okay, pushing my luck, but CHG please, my man, pushing my luck. Can Shiba reach 1 cent? Okay, theta please, done. Theta, great work, man, thanks very much, welcome. MTV as well, okay, I'm gonna take a look at the MTV as well, and then I'm gonna take a look. I think I have done with the CSG, but I'm gonna take a look for you, man. Steve, you have done so many requests today, but here you can see the MTV Q coin. Okay, it's a Q coin gem. Let's find out the Shad Khan. I have told about the Soul coin already, but okay, just wait on Soul. Okay, let's find out the MTV first. This was a request from Radio or Boards Radio. I don't think so. Okay, this is a weekly chart of MTV. I was looking for MTV, but it showed me something else. Let's find out from here. MTV USDT pair from the Q coin. I'm gonna close that window. Now here is the MTV. Okay, MTV, it is testing the all-time high, and this is a breakout. It is testing the support, but I'm gonna go with this one because here you can see this was a breakout candle, and price might gonna fall back to this. If you are looking to buy, don't buy right now because the price has already pumped. If you follow the cup and handle pattern, you can see the price made swing high. Now we're gonna might be retest at this level. So retesting can be done at these areas. Okay, this is the area of support for the MTV. Okay, MTV, let me show you this one. Okay, 0.01. but if this level holds, if we let me draw another level as well. This is a swing high as well, so let me draw the swing. Sorry guys, the mouse is really disturbing me. Okay, now here is the thing. If we break below this area, then this area is going to test. If this area gets broken below, then we are going down to 0.0120 because you can see these levels have not been tested. So there is a gap, so these levels are going to be tested. So and the price is gonna be in the distribution phase or sell-off phase because it has tested this all-time high. So we are going down, might be, but again, if the support holds, then the price would be in the uptrend. Okay, now next up in the phase, Mike Theta done. Can Shiba reach? Shiba is a very difficult coin. It depends on the Twitter, it depends on the news. Shiba, I don't think so it's gonna move up. Shiba, let's find out the Shiba Shib coin. Okay, you can see price, it has never came up. Let me delete everything. You see the price is in the range, and since you can see the price is in the ranging market since 1st June. Okay, so it's been June, July, August, September, 4 months, and still you see the price is just ranging in between. It is a very high supply coin. Okay, very high supply coin, and it's gonna take a lot of just take a look at the volume. Okay, if you see some strong volume coming in, then we might gonna retrace hardly towards this area. Okay, towards the level here. So anyone who is telling you about the Shiba is gonna reach $1 or 1 cent or whatever it is, it's not gonna reach that level. Okay, it's not gonna reach that level because it is only a hyped coin. If I show you the Shiba, okay, Shib, it was basically launched after the Dogecoin was pumped. You can see the volume hit only 325 million, and if I show you the all-time chart of this coin, it made a swing high, all-time high, and you see the volume was 19 billion. Okay, now 19 billion, if this volume come again, then we can reach this level only at 3503. So you can know that we need huge volume, huge volume for the price to move up. Okay, we need huge volume, although there are so many holders only due to this was the hyped coin and was due to the news. Now if I show you the wallet holder, you see the biggest wallet holder is a 7% supply, and he might be holding this amount, that is 70 trillion coins. So this wallet is holding 70 trillion coins. I don't know if it is a team's wallet or dev's wallet, I don't know. You can say Binance is holding less than this, less than this wallet, and crypto.com is holding even less than this one, and that these four 1 2 3 4 5 wallets are holding 3 6 8 10 12% of total supply of the Shiba. So this is the 12% plus this 7%. It makes up total approximately 20% of the supply is held by the only 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 wallets holding 20% of the supply. So how could you say that the price is gonna pump? I don't think so. So it would be very hard. Okay, it would be very hard for the Shiba Inu to pump. Okay, let's head over to the CHZ. Already done CHZ, but one more time I'm gonna do it for you, Steve. And told you that we are near the area of we might gonna test at this level. Let me zoom out again. 0.3897. we might gonna retest if this level gets broken. 0.41 is it's gonna retest at the trend lines. So this is the 21 trend line. It's gonna that would be a point of confluence, so you can place your buy orders at this area. But if these two trend lines gets broken, then we might be going down to 0.3210. right now it is going in the upward channel, so you can place your buy orders here, and if it gets rejected, then we can have a strong move on the upside. So Shad Khan, I told you already about the Sol USDT. This would be the last one for me, and you see the price is now going down. I have put in the levels for you, that there you can place your buy orders 169 162, because you see the breakout candles we might also gonna test at this level as well. Let me show you the level here. This can also be tested. Okay, let me show you this one. Okay, this one 130 150, because this is a breakout and it has not been tested. Okay, so you can place your buy orders at $150 for Solana, but again a huge sell-off can happen. Okay, huge sell-off can happen, but I think 134 to 150 would be a level where the Solana is gonna hold. Okay. Okay, Steve, thank you very much. Thank you all my brothers, thank you all for tuning in. Thanks for watching my video. I'm gonna take a leave now. I'm gonna turn off the video for now. Thanks for watching. It was so nice to predict all the coins with you, and thank you all. Thank you so much for the support, and please, if you really enjoyed the video, then please give it a thumbs up, give this video a like, and please share this transmission with other friends, and share my channel as well. So I'm gonna take off now. I'm gonna leave, and thanks for watching. Take care, boys, and if you have any requests, please mention them in the comment sections of all the videos. I will try to predict them, and also make sure to join our premium group as well, and the free group as well, to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye. Over and out from Crypto Global 100.